with self-reliance push India can make for world in defense sector, said by Rajnath Singh, who is our defense minister. A very good evening all of you. Today's our lecture topic is FDI in defense. FDI means foreign direct investment. It's an investment in the form of taking ownership of in one country by the another country, in which the another country's investment can get the all ownership in one other country's business. Firstly, it's in India there is FDI investment. It's only FDI limits. It's only 49%, but now it's changed to 49% to 74%, which encourage the most of the investors to invest their finance in our country in the manufacturing sector, in defense manufacturing sector. Firstly, when it is 49%, most of the investors have to think about to had to think about to invest their money in our country, because in 49% share they can't get the majority in the stake. So they can't could not feel the safe and most priority in the investment. But now there is 74%, in which it encourage the all the investors to invest in our country in defense sector. So the reason behind that, because our prime minister as well, the leaders wants to said about to make our country self-reliant, in which defense sector is most important. And our country is below the manufacturing sector. They don't their manufacturing, they don't have as much as that technology to manufacturing. As well, there is a very much delay about every types of contract, and the long gestation period, which makes our country weak in the defense sector. So to increase the power of manufacturing sector in India in defense sector, it is very necessary to increase the investment. So it's a very good decision which is taken by government. But since as well there is a national security policy also in the FDI and defense sector, so it's also, we can say that it's safe. And since firstly, as we know that firstly there is only 80,000 crore manufacturing availability in India, in which 63,000 is from private player. So now India looking for the for the most of the private players to expense to indulge themselves in the defense sector, to encourage them, to encourage the private sector in defense sector, defense manufacturing sector. It's very necessary to encourage them by with helping the other investors, in which they can get the new technology, new ideas, as well to help from other country. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind friends, I am going to talk about FDI in defense. FDI means foreign direct investment. Foreigner investing in India in terms of percentage. So May 2020, Government of India extended FDI in defense from 49% to 74%. So in defense, more than 14.5 lakh active forces are there in Army, Navy and Air Force. India is third in terms of budget after USA and China. India is second in the world to import arms, ammunition and other defense equipment after the Saudi Arabia. So we are imported defense equipment from Russia, France, Israel and USA. Mainly Russia is one of the biggest exporter to India. We are using more than 70% of defense equipment from only one country, which is Russia. So FDI is very important. With the help of this, we improve manufacturing hub. As per Make in India concept, we are having many manufacturing hub in the India. We adopt Atmanirbhar Bharat, and government aim to achieve 1.75 lakh crores of defense equipment. And also government export 35,000 crores by 2025. So this is the government aim to increase FDI from 49 to 74%. Because of many reasons, we are using our own technology. We are using third generation technology. Our DRDO, HAL and other private sector, they are manufacturing indigenous missiles, arms, ammunition and other defense equipment. But we are using our own technology. If foreigners investing in India, they bring their technology, which is helpful for, we adopt their technology and increase our economy as well as job sector. And we have many friendly countries are there. We also export them. Recently, Vidura submarine we export to our neighboring country Myanmar, and also going to export our BrahMos to Philippines. So if we have biggest manufacturing hub, we are not depend to anyone, because of now we are depend to other countries. So recently 2019 audit, more than defense and navy equipments are old version. They were not able to upgrade because of it's more than 70 to 80-year old equipment we have that. So finally I conclude with that. The FDI going to be a very vital role in the future, because of we are not dependent to anyone, and with the help of this we improve our economy, job and less dependency. That's all. Thank you. Jai Hind.